pretty much everything that I'm going to show you guys fits in this box. Hi guys, my name is Magali, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning viewer, then welcome back. I make regular videos on beauty, fashion, lifestyle and travel. So I usually upload 2 videos a week, and I would love it if you would press the red button below this video and subscribe to my channel so that you are notified whenever I make any new videos. So today I have a fashion haul for you guys. It's mostly clothing and a few accessories. It's from a few different brands. Everything in here has been online shopped. Though I live in Mumbai, I just prefer to shop online. I just also wanted to take a minute to mention before we get into the haul that I've been trying actively to cut down on the amount of fashion and clothing items that I shop for, just because I realized that now we have everything at our fingertips and there are really great discounts. It's so easy to get carried away and buy too much because it doesn't like seem to cost that much. I need to not have so many things, so I tried to buy the things in here a little bit more consciously, and I think I've gone for pieces that are slightly more like classic and minimal, just so that I know that I'll get repeat wearings out of all of these clothes, and I don't want them to just like lie there. Some of it was sales shopping, some of it was full price. I'm going to leave all of the products that I mentioned in the description bar down below, so I'll leave like the brand name, the product name. If it's still available, there'll also be a link for you to shop it. Where sizes are concerned, I'll also mention my sizes. And yes, this is a try on haul, so you'll also see how the pieces look like on my body. So the brands that I purchased are from RayBan, Levi's, H&M and Zara. Just gonna start with RayBan because I got new sunglasses. I am pretty obsessed with RayBan sunglasses, and I already have a RayBan collection video that I did a couple of years ago that you can watch by pressing the I in the upper right corner of this video. But I am working on making an updated one with my new ones included really soon. I'm really a fan of RayBan's classic silhouettes, and one of my favorite shape of theirs is the RayBan round. I own 4 different RayBan rounds with different frame and lens colors. I know that can be a little excessive, but I really was liking how the round looked on me, and I enjoyed having different colors of it. So the one that I've got now is very similar to the RayBan rounds, but also a little different. This is called the RayBan Oval, and it looks like a classic shape, but it's actually new. I got it in the most basic RayBan coloring, gold frames with these dark green lenses. I know they look technically black, but they're dark green. I think RayBan calls them G15 or something, and these are like the signature RayBans. Just because I realized most of my round pairs are funky colors, so this one's a classic. And I've also started wearing a lot more gold jewelry recently, as you guys can also see in this video. So I figured that this frame would go perfectly with my style. Also because it's a smaller, like a compressed shorter version of the round, it fits smaller face shapes like mine really well. I can't really wear aviators because they just dwarf my entire face and they're so big, so smaller frames look good for me. And also I like that you can kind of wear this on the bridge of your nose, which I know is a little bit ridiculous, but that's the trend happening right now. Okay, I feel stupid, but it's a really cool pair, and I've already gotten a bunch of wear out of it, and this is something that I see myself wearing for years to come. Now the 2 things that I purchased from Levi's, the first one is a pair of jeans. Pretty classic Levi's, right? But this is the Levi's 721 high rise. I've owned this jean before in dark blue. This is like a black version, but this is from the Levi's line 8 collection. So I don't know, it's supposed to be like a slightly more premium capsule collection of Levi's. I'm not really sure of all the little details. I'm all about high-rise jeans, high-rise shorts. I just feel like they are very flattering. They sort of elongate your legs. They tuck in your tummy. If like me, you're having a little bit of an extra tummy. I feel like I can't get to a single fashion video without talking about my stomach, but I'm all about keeping it real. So this is a pretty lightweight denim. I tend to prefer most of my jeans nowadays thicker denim and non-stretch, but this is thinner and stretch. so it's the opposite of what I'm going for. But I like that it's really easy to wear and pretty comfortable for long hours also, just because non-stretch denims can start to chafe if you wear them for a very long day. I'm pretty pleased with this. I only am slightly unhappy that the length is a little bit long for me. I need to do like one medium tuck or two small tucks for it to suit my legs, but this is an experience that I have pretty often, I guess, so can't complain too much. I have been reaching for these a lot since I bought them. The next piece is also from Levi's. It is a bag. I haven't used this anywhere yet. It's from the Levi's Peanuts collection. Levi's did a limited edition capsule collection with Peanuts, so there were like a Snoopy motifs, and I missed out on it. I didn't know when it released, and by the time I realized that it was around, I think almost all of the tops and jumpers were sold out. So I was super sad because I would have loved to have like a Snoopy and Levi's a top, and I think my mom had some Snoopy things like when I was young, so that would have been a real throwback. Missed it. So I picked up this canvas bag. On full price, this was certainly a little overpriced, but since I got it at a discount, I think it was a really good purchase. It is a smaller canvas bag. It doesn't really have anything to hold it shut, no zipper or velcro, although you could affix velcro if you want. The fabric is really thick canvas and it feels very strong, so it feels like you could dump something even super heavy in here and it would 100% be able to take it. Sometimes when I have a lot of things happening in the day, I'll carry a tote with me, something like this, just to dump extra pairs of shoes, changes of clothes, a makeup bag. Not on a regular basis, but when I feel like I'll need extra things, totes like this come in handy. And it's Levi's and Snoopy, like it doesn't get more iconic than that. I'm a fan of both brands, so had to pick this one up. So now let's move on to my Zara purchases. And the one that I'm definitely the most excited about, I got a David Bowie t-shirt from his Ziggy Stardust era, and this is definitely one of my more prized possessions now. As you may or may not know, I am a David Bowie super fan. I even have this tattoo here, but this is like based on the Aladdin Sane album cover. One of you guys actually showed this to me on Instagram because I feel like I would have missed this completely and I would have cried about this. So I actually picked this up on sale eventually. It was not like a very big discount. You know, David Bowie, I couldn't pass it up. This is licensed merchandise from a photograph taken by Masayoshi Tsukita, who he worked with a lot. When we talk about the fashion aspect of this t-shirt, like I have a few grouses. I wish they hadn't put it on a red t-shirt. I wish they would have put the patch on any other color, just because like his outfit has a lot of red. And I feel like red t-shirt, it's too much. I feel like they could have balanced that out better. Also, it's a little bit on the long side. I wish it was slightly more cropped. But otherwise, you know, even if this t-shirt doesn't look great, I was always going to purchase it just because David Bowie. So absolutely no regrets there, and I will do it again 100 times over. The next purchase from Zara are these pair of shorts. I actually wore this in an outfit post recently. I'm always a fan of denim shorts or cutoffs, and I like to have a lot of different shapes and lengths of denim shorts. I like that this is like a slightly longer short and it's not super clingy, that I think I can get away with wearing it in Mumbai. I don't feel comfortable in the city wearing shorts all of the time, but this should get me a minimal amount of stairs, I think. This is a pretty heavy denim and it is no stretch at all. This is also high waist. This is a mom fit. I have a lot of mom jeans from Topshop, so that just basically means it's not really clingy and it doesn't accentuate your butt or anything. It's almost like a boyfriend denim, a slouchy kind of specific fit that I really enjoy. Now I think that this shape of short is very in right now. It's almost like paper bag short. I was a little thrown off when I first got this because I realized like the leg is so wide that if you sit weirdly on a beach or something, you're able to see all the way till your underwear. And I usually like wearing shorts so that they can't see that. But otherwise it's a really cool pair. I feel like it's easy and versatile enough for both vacation as well as city wear, and it can be styled up or down, and I like it. Third piece that I got from Zara is definitely more of a vacation piece. It is this really cute dress from the Zara Travelluck collection, and I love Travelluck because the pieces are so like Scandinavian and minimal. I really enjoy that vibe. This is like a strappy tank dress in the front, but it's pretty much completely backless at the back. It's sort of a midi length, very soft fabric. One good thing is it's got this little drawstring tie at the back, so you can adjust it like to your back so it doesn't completely like just gape and hang over there. And I haven't worn this yet, but I quite like it, and I think that it will be a good piece for vacation bags. I'm going to be showing you guys another low back piece I got. So I know I'll get this question in the comments, like what kind of bra do I wear on something like that. So firstly, if it is going to be a beach outfit or a pool outfit, you can absolutely just layer that on top of a one-piece swimsuit or a bikini or anything. Even if you're not comfortable with wearing a bikini, you can buy a bikini bra just to wear under something like this. But if not, if you want to like keep your back open and not show a bra, most of the time I end up wearing nipple pasties. Even on my Bangkok lookbook, I had a backless dress where I couldn't wear a bra, and I just wear these. These work very well for me because they just cover your nips so nothing is showing through, but like your back is open and everything. If you have some pieces with open backs, I would totally recommend looking at these pasties. They pretty much work for any size breasts as long as you're comfortable with majorly going braless. There's no cup size involved because it just stick them there. I got 3 pieces from H&M. This is another super beachy dress. I plan to wear this for vacations only. It's just a really nice, simple, strappy dress with a nice tropical print. I don't know, these are banana leaves, but here there's my favorite leaf, Monstera. It's very soft. It's supposed to be from the H&M Conscious collections. This part is elasticized. It is a little bit on the transparent side, but no big deal, I guess. I just was really attracted to it and I thought it was pretty. Last 2 H&M pieces are like basic kind of tops. When I buy basic tops, I always go dark colored because I just can't maintain light colored clothes, and I always go for black. So this time I decided to switch things up a tiny bit. So both the pieces I bought were brown. Even though I think blacks were available, I was like, let me get brown. Neither of these I've actually properly worn yet other than trying them out. The first one is this simple like strapped or like sleeveless top with a ribbed fabric. Mostly ribbed fabrics are heavier and they're knits that you wear during winter, but this is a pretty lightweight ribbed fabric, so you can easily wear it during warmer months also. And it's obviously like a little bit stretchy. It's got elastane in it. I like that this type of fabric is sort of like stretchy enough that it'll contour to your body, but it's not like so sticky that it feels uncomfortable. And I think it's super pretty. The next one I bought is actually a bodysuit, and this is another one that I am going to have to wear the nipple covers with. But this is a beautiful piece. It was a little expensive full price, but something that I managed to nab for a good discount during sale time. Gee, this is stretchy crepe and the fabric feels like pretty good quality. It's got these thin straps, a low back, and it's also got buttons at the bottom. Bodysuit have got to have buttons at the bottom to be able to use the washroom easily. Just a super minimal piece that you can wear with like skirts, jeans, shorts. I think it's quite cute, and I'm definitely going for more solids in my wardrobe, like this top that I'm wearing. This one I've had for a couple of years, but I just feel like you can get a lot of wear out of these, so I'm going for more simple, basic, solid tops so that I can hopefully recycle them in my wardrobe often. So that was it. That was everything for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it wasn't a lot. I hope you got some clothing ideas or were entertained or whatever. If you have any questions that you think I can answer, please leave them in the comment box down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Yeah, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.